Today, the trial for the man accused of brutally murdering Allison Feldman back in 2015 continued. Feldman was found beaten to death inside her Scottsdale home in February of that year.
Ian Mitchum has been charged with killing her, and after nearly 11 years, the long-delayed court proceedings are now moving forward. 12 News journalist Trisha Hendricks was back in the courtroom today and is joining us now with a recap. Trisha?
Yes, Kadibe, Mark, after a break since mid-November, today the jury was back in court, and Scottsdale Police Lieutenant Hugh Lockerbie was the first witness called to the stand. Lieutenant Lockerbie last worked on the case as supervisor of the Violent Crimes Unit, and today prosecutors asked him about evidence they collected at the scene during those 4 days following her murder. He said placards were placed on 26 pieces of evidence they felt were significant to the initial investigation, and one of those pieces of evidence was a substance that investigators thought was out of place when they compared it to bloodstains that they found on the tile in Allison's home. He also told the jury about glass shards investigators found throughout her kitchen and living room, and specifically the top of a broken beer bottle they found underneath her couch. During cross-examination, when the defense asked Lieutenant Lockerbie if he was present during a chemical test they used during their investigation after finding bloodstains in the backyard, he said he was, and he explained why.
We had observed and we had believed in our investigation that there was significant cleanup, and we believed that there was voids and blood stains on the cool deck of the patio of the pool, and because we had found evidence of potentially that Miss Feldman was in the pool. So we had used the Blue Star chemicals to see if anything that we could not see with the naked eye would be detected with Blue Star, either chemicals or blood that may have been no longer there because of that void.
Investigators identified Mitchum as the suspect after that DNA evidence from the crime scene closely matched the genetic material belonging to Mitchum's brother, who was already in prison. Police later located a vial of Mitchum's blood from a 2015 DUI arrest, and according to reports, a sample of that should have been destroyed years earlier. Without obtaining a new warrant, Scottsdale police tested that blood. They were able to create Mitchum's DNA profile, which they say matched evidence from the crime scene. While the decision sparked privacy and ethical debates that reached the Arizona Supreme Court, justices ultimately upheld the use of the evidence. The trial will continue at 10:30 Wednesday morning. If you'd like to watch the entire trial, we are streaming it on 12+. Download the app to watch for free. Trisha Hendricks, 12 News.
All right, Trisha, thanks.